Ay, sino kaya ang unang papasok? Hello.
Babayad naman ko ng buwis. Hindi ko lang ngayon sa electric. Hindi ko na namin yung card para video.
Tinyang, ayan. Nag-premiere ka ba kanina, Tinyang? Hindi. Di ko napansin. Ayan, hello, hello. Ayan, Tinyang, mamaya may ano ako sa'yo. Ayan, hello, guwapo. Travel Reynolds and 5G sa kala ko live, wala. Suba, ayan. Ayan, live ako. Ayan. Hindi sir, wala ako. Okay, I will be back at you tomorrow. No problem, amigo. No problem, and coffee. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, sinong gusto mamaya baka may pumasok. Tinyang. May ako sa Tinyang. Pwede po ba akong I will PM. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, Leng. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, coffee. Yes, I am drinking coffee because it's too cold here now. Si Joy. Tinyang, naano mo na ba to? Pwede mo ba tong si Manay Joy, road to na to, 1K, pero babalikan ka nito. Mabait yun. Nasa Japan. Ida-drop ko ang link. Ayan, mapagalangan. Wow, you lost in a class 4. actually, um, actually, brother, if I didn't do a live streaming last night, so this is my second live streaming. So, hindi ko pa, sige, bigyan mo to ng road to 1K. So, because my ads, AdSense remove my ads, right? So when I do live, when I did a live streaming last night, so my AdSense sent the payments this morning. Ayan. Shelly, hello. Ayan lang natipid na namin sa sak. Ayan tol, thank you. Sige, hindi ko. Ayan, sige. Ito, yung lang, yung short lang. Nagbawas ata yung nito. Nagbawas yung banana nito. Ay, bakit walang harap? Wala, di binalik yung di binalik yung harang ko. Pero yung payments, ayan, nag-send na. Hindi pa sinabay. Di sinabay yung payments. Ay, di sinabay di sinabay yung ads ko. Yung payments lang ang ibinalik. Ayan lang yan. Thank you. Ito, Tinya. Ayan, mo na. Tapos lagyan mo na lang galing dito. Ayan, babalikan ka nito. Ay, asa na yan? Ayan, buti may Oo, meron. Naibalik. Ayan, busy doing some exercise and watching on Smart TV. Wow! That's good. Etong na lang, 38 seconds na lang, Tinya. Andito ako kay, naka-video ako dito. Ang pagal talaga. Mahina yung mahina yung net ko. Road to grade 9 po. Ayan, si 5Gs din Tinyang. Ayan, buti may sari. Ayan. Bakit nawala? Yung yung mismatch ng tax ko. Kasi may junior kasi dito sa YT may junior. Pagdating dun sa AdSense, wala kasing suffix kasi dun kay walang suffix kasi kay AdSense. Ayan, kaya niya yung niya ako. Ayan, may narinig ko puro tuwante. Ito si Manay Joy. 1K. Ayan, pati yan si Galiga, si 5G's vlog, ayan, road to grade 9. Ayan, baka pwede yung support. Ayan, di naayos. Di ko naayos. Kasi sige, bigyan ko pa. Sige, Tinya, salamat. Kasi, October pa siya nag-email yung last. Di ko naman napansin kasi sobrang busy ko that time. Tapos, naayos ko siya nung November, magta-third week na ng November ko siya na third week na ng November ko siya na, na naayos. Kaya, dapat meron akong, nung 22. Kasi hindi niya hindi niya binigay. Hinold muna niya. Ay, dapat nung May pa naayos. Naayos ko na yung naayos ko na yung ko dati. Kaso, hindi ko napansin na yung sa tax kasi parang ulit si nag-check ulit si AdSense. Kaya ayun, na-check niya yung hindi parehas yung account name ko dito sa YT at saka kay AdSense. Kaya yun, niya, blinak niya yung blinak niya. Kaya ayun, pero okay lang naman yan. Ayan, Idol Lorela yan, thank you. And then to, ayan, Pit Left, tapos sa si tapos sa si makinig mo na. Ayan, sige, salamat. On the way. Ayan, si Manay Joy sa Kakida. Babalikan kayo niya. Ano na siya I'm crazy. Ayan, Idol Lorela yan, thank you. Ba't kasi ang dami palang nakabukas dito? Kaya pala naglolo ko po. Ayan, ayan pa pin ng road. Di ko mapin yung road to grade 1. Di ko alam dito paano magpin sa sa main. Ayan, AK baby, thank you. Ay walang dito, walang pin dito. Walang pin. Wala siyang pin. Di ko mapin dito. Ayan, Leila ni Jimeno. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, shout out po sa iyo dyan. Ayan, may jacket ka na po dyan. Ayan, si Leng, si Idol Lorel. Ayan, ay guys, si Galiga. Ayan, siya, namiminwich guys. Road to grade 9. Ayan, MLS po. Ayan, sayo at least andyan. Bumalik na kanina. Ayan, jacket, this is. Ayan, meron na siya, Ay, ito pala. Ito yung road to grade 7, Hello, Real Adventure, thank you. Ayan, Margie TV. Ayan, silent. Ayan. Margie TV from Leilani, working na ako. Hi all. Pip Jolly. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, nabuhay. Nabuhay. Ayan, Leilani. Atong dalawa, dikitan mo yung mga na yan, yung mga hindi mo pa nakikita. Ayan, si Shelly, si Tinyang, si AP Baby, si Jolly TV. Ayan, si Pit Life. Ay, not sure ako kung Ayan, si Idol Lorel ata. Nandikita mo na ata si Idol Lorel. Dikita mo yung i-drop ko yung mga link nila. Tapos 5M. Tapos meron ako dyan na yung Eto guys, pasok ko. Ito muna i-drop ko si Leilani. Kasi to, road to grade 7 to. Natatandaan ko Leilani. Himeno. Ay, alam ko to, 698 to kanina Ato, pag-graduate natin to guys ng grade 7. Ayan, kagabi may nag-graduate sa atin ng may nag-graduate sa atin ng grade 7 at saka ng grade 1. Ayan. Ngayon si Leilani Jimeno at saka si 5G guys. Ayan, pwede mag-click sa view in live control room para makabigay ng jacket. Ayan, meron ng jacket si Leilani. Yung sa pin ang hindi ko ma-pin. Ayan, drop ulit road to 1 kunin ko na lang ay wait lang. Ayan, kasi sila yung natibid ako nagpunta. Ayan, baba po yung di pa dikit dyan. Ayan, i-drop ko Leilani, relax. Ayan, pa isa-isa. Baka mayaba itong Leng Angeles. Hindi, si yan Leng natibidad dyan. Ayan, tol, thank you. Ayan, si ata. Friendship mo na yan si Dan, 5G, enjoy, mamaya ko bigyan. Ayan, salamat din yan. Ayan, ito, road to grade 7. Ayan, 4 na lang to. 4 na lang kulang. Ayan, the pets. Ayan, si Sigwapa from AK Baby. Ayan, si Raul Reynolds, guys. I-drop nyo, nyo si Raul Reynolds. Ayan, Pit Life, di ka nagtingin sa messenger. Hindi naman tumitingin sa yan. Hindi naman tumitingin sa messenger yan si Matagal yan tumitingin. Reynolds Art. Ito si Raul Reynolds. Ayan ito guys. Ayan, tinyang vlog, CC. Ayan, okay. Hindi na yan. Hindi na matagal na ganyan, matagal nagsisin mood sa yan sa sa Messenger. Ayan, nandun play Cupid Live. Igsi ng video mo kasi. Ayan. Ito si Raul Reynolds kasi. Idikitan nyo to. Ano to? May ikli kasi ang ano niya eh. Yung ano lang. Wait lang ah. Hinahanap ko yung ano niya dito. 6 minutes. Wala siya ditong kahit 1 minute. Ayan, hanap ako ng 1 minute mo dito. 28 seconds. 2 minutes eh. 2 minutes kaya no. Kay Raul Reynolds. Ayan, balik po ako may talon lang. Sige, sige lang Leilani. Ayan, road to 4K ka na. Road to 4K na ako. Ayan, baka sabihin di mo. Malapit. Lapit ka na pala sis Leilani. Ayan, 4 na lang yan. Pag dinikitan mo na, ay, nawala. Aalis pala yan. Ayan, Raul Reynolds Art. Ayan, support natin yun guys. AK Baby Magic TV NN. Ayan, like Angeles Opo. Ayan. Si Idol Rel, ayan. Ayan, Leilani Jimeno, ayan, shout out. Ayan, si ano guys, ano, eto, si Leilani Jimeno, pa-support na lang po natin to guys, kung hindi nyo pa to friendship. Eto, AK Baby, at saka si Jolly TV. Ito yung kanyang pork chop, yung kanya kay, ano, kay AK Baby. Ayan, yung mga hindi pa nakakadikit dyan kay, ano, kay, sa dalawa, ayan, kasi kayo lagi-lagi na kayong nagkikita kay Jolly TV. Ayan, si 5G, sino yung ano na yun, ano, 5G, yung ano mo, yung road to grade 9 mo, ayan, para maano natin, ma-check ko dito yung road to grade 9 mo. Itong 2 minutes, matagal na to. Isang buwan bago nag-upload. Ayan, ayaw ko ng 4K. Ayan, nagano na ako ngayon eh, nag-change na ako ngayon. Ayan. Ayan, kain tayo. Ayan, si Speed Life. Ayan, i-drop ko yung mga link nila dyan. Natsura ko kung friendship na to siya na Speed Life at 50. Ayan, pag-graduate na natin to guys, naibigay ko na kasi yung ano ko dyan eh. Naibigay ko na yung dalawa ko dito kay Leilani Jimeno. Ito, Speed Life. Ayan, baka hindi pa Shelly Lacurum. Ayan. Ayan, thank you Shelly. Ayan, sa iyong pagbibigay ng ano. Ayan, naka grade 7 ka na, Shelly Lacurum. Ayan, BGM, thanks brother. Ayan. Wala kang ano dito. Wala ka rin bagong upload. Na-watch ko na ata to dun sa ano ko eh. Din sa pag-play ko dito sa Shelly. Ayan, Shelly. Yung ano ko, yung 4K ka. 4K na ba ako? Ano pa yung kulang niyan? Nagbawas ng isa yung ano ko. Nagbawas yung hindi dumikit yung isa, nagkabit sa sa live stream ko. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, dinikitan mo ba tong Dinikitan mo ba tong ko? Itong main ko. Ayan, salamat. Ayan, naka 4K na daw ako. Ayan, thank you. Ito si Manay Joy. Ayan. Loret at Faye. Ayan, idol, baka dikitan ka nito ni ayan, sana all 4K. Ayan, thank you. Ayan na yan, 4K na ako. Kung nadagdagan mo ng 5, kasi ano na lang yan 3. Tatlo na lang yung niyan, 3 na lang yung kulang niya. Ayan, done kay Leilan. Ayan, thank you 5Gs. Ayan. Thank you. Ayan. Di kaya di malag na. Ito wala ring upload si Idol Laurel eh. Ano ko na lang yung 14 minutes mo dito. I-replay ko na lang itong mga itong mga LS mo. Ito si mga Laurel Adventure. Ayan, wow, 4K ka na to the max. Ano na yan? Lagpas na ng lagpas ata ng isa yung yung 4K ko. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, dinagdagan ni Shelly. Ito Shelly, si Manay Joy Sakakita Vlog. Ayan, si Kenyang's Vlog. Ayan, baka di mo padikit. Huwag daw tingnan para din. Wait lang 5G ha. Ayan, i-drop ko ba yung yung main mo or yung road to grade 9 mo? Di ko sure kung nakadikit na tong kambal dito sa doon sa road to ano mo. Ayan, Swat Ani. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, from Poland. Ayan, thank you, Swat Ani. I joy sa Kakita Vlog. Ayan, road to 3. Ay, road to 1K na to. 1K. Ayan, please support. Ayan, babalikan kayo niyan, guys. Ayan, si Swat Ani is very good friend din yan. Dito lang si 5G's Family Vlog. Si ano, dagdagan na ulit. Pag si ano na lang drop ko, si Galiga na lang. Si Galiga na lang, Galiga 26 na lang ano ko. Ayan, and then wait lang tol ha. Ayan. Ayun 10 hours mo. Ay ano, 37 seconds. Ito nang i-drop ko. Ayan, Galiga 26 is 5G's to. 5G's vlog. Ayan si Swat Ani, si NNN the Pets. Wait lang tala. NNN and the Pets. Si ano, si Simply Nurse, ano yun, 1 month na atang walang ano, taglagas, crunchy. Ay, ito yung pinag-ano mo kanina. Ito yung pinag-premiere mo kanina. Ano. Wait lang. Wag tong ano, yung maikli lang. Itong 1 minute lang. Ay, kaya may ano naman to, may harang naman to. Okay, control P at NNN and the Pets. Ayan, naka-grade ano na si ano. Wag na si Galiga. Ayan. Ayan na, na-drop ko na. Ayan, AK Baby Witage. Ayan, on the way kay Jay. Ayan, thank you 5Gs. Ayan, saglit, magtawag ako kaya pa. Kaya pa. Ayan, thank you Shelly. Ayan, pag-graduatein mo na yan para bukas, mag-ano yan, magtataka yan, naka 1K na yan. Tapos, lagyan mo na lang na galing dito sa akin. Ayan, para ano, para alam niya kung saan ang galing yung ano. Kasi nabawasan yan eh. Nabawasan na naman yan. You have new upload, you don't have new upload, Swat Ani. I already watched this one, right? This 1 day ago. Is Swat Ani. Ato guys, ano to? Good friendship yan guys, si Swat Ani. Ayan, saglit. Ayan, thank you. Ay, sino pa yung hindi ko na-drop ng link dyan? Ayan, Pit Life. Ayan, na-drop ko na kay Pit. Si Margie TV. Ayan, Margie TV. Ayan, Pit Life. Ayan, Swat Ani. Ba't ang bilis ng live stream mo kanina, Margie? Wala kang premiere dito. Ang bilis ng live stream mo kanina. Dumating na naman yung mga ano mo kanina. Margie. Dumating na naman yung mga nang-hide na mga bisita mo. Ayan, yes. Ayan from Raul Reynolds. Ayan guys, ano. Swat Ani, hello MLSO. Ayan guys, Raul Reynolds. Ano, dikitan nyo yan guys. Ano yan? Good friend yan guys. Yan. Si Raul Reynolds art. Ayan, Swat Ani, hello MLSO. Ayan, then si... Sino nga to? Si Leilani Jimeno. Ayan. Naka-grade 7 na ata to. Ayan, 701 na si Leilani guys. Ayan. Padagdag na lang po ako dito. Ayan, mga hindi pa nakakadikit dyan. Kay Leilani Jimeno. Ayan, dikit-dikit natin to. Ayan, code 2 na to. Ayan, Pit Life at 50 Witage. Ayan. Iba ang ano nila. Iba yung Witage at saka Witam. Witam for the boy ata, and then Witage for the girl. Hello, Tinansi Teng TV, salamat. Ayan, thank you, te. Ayan si asan na? Nandiyan ka pa ba, ano, Leilani? Yung mga binaba ko po dyan, ano, puntahan mo po yan. Di ko pa ito na-watch na, ano mo. Di ko pa ito na-watch ng 1 day ago mo. Yung use Stairway to Heaven Straight. Ay, wag na to kasi 16 seconds lang pala to. Itong 1 minute mo na lang. Wag tong 16 seconds kasi sobrang ano na to. Nancy ko. Swat Ani, how about your WH? How many WH you have? SWAT Ani. Ay, si 5G ba yun? Si 5G. Sino na nga to si 5G? 5G spec. Ito ba yung ano, road to ano? 5G vlog. Ito ba yung road to grade 9? Ay, hindi ito. Sino yung road to grade 9? Ano po? 5G's vlog. Asan na yung pinag-drop niya dito? Titingnan ko nga muna. Si Leilani Margie TV. Le 5G on the way, Joy. Ayan. Ayan, pupuntahan niya si ano, si Manay Joy. Ayan, para ano, akala ko live. Ayan, Bell on Galiga. Ayan, thank you, Pete. Ayan, salamat. All done kay... Salamat, 5G's vlog. Yasha, yan o, kapatid. Ayan, kumusta? Yasha, TV. Kumusta kapatid? Yasha, ayan, from Pete Life. Di kita nakikitang nagano. Ayan, Yasha, from Pete Life. Titignan ko nga to. Di ako nakakabisita sa'yo. 3 weeks, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Kaya di kita nakikita pala eh. 3 weeks na pala yung pilay. Naku po, kaya pala. Ayan, hola amigo, ayan to the BEM. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, obrigado amigo. Pastor Sergio Novaes. Ayan, thank you for the visit as always. Okay. Eto si Mitlat. Jeneline, thank you. Ayan, check. Ayan, Yashoy TV. Tambay muna, dad. Ayan din si Pastor Sergio. Eto guys, ano to? Pastor Sergio Novaes. And then the pets, ayan, thank you. You don't have new upload. I already watched this new upload of yours. Ayan, 3 minutes. Ayan, hola amigos, amigas. On the way kay Nancy. Ayan, salamat, 5Gs. Ayan, sino babalikan yan, 5Gs? Si 5Gs na ba ang babalikan yan? Wow, congrats guwapo. Grade 4 now. Ayan. I thank you, Shelly Lacurum, Shelly Lacurum gave me 5. Ayan, buenos dias a todos, como están? Ayan, gratidao. Ayan nga, amigo. Ayan, he is a Portuguese and you are Spanish. Ayan, then SWAT Ani is a Polish. Ayan, from Poland, ato from Brazil, ato from Spain. Ayan, Suriname, Spain. Ayan, Shelly Lacour, ayun yung nagbigay sa akin ng ano, siya yung nagbigay ng madaming banana ng grade 5 sa akin. Ayan, SWAT Ani, thank you. Ayan, sino pa di ko na-drop ng link? Ano kapatid Jashoy, pwede mo po ba ito si ano, si Leilani Jimeno. Ayan, 982 na, malapit na. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, ano na lang pala, konti na lang. 18 na lang kasi ang dami pa niyan. Ayan, muy bien, amigo music. Ayan, at Raul Reynolds Art. Ito at Leilani Jimeno. Ayan, kaka-grade 7 lang nito guys, ano? Ayan, please support naman po. Ayan. Then, friend, you speak Portuguese very well. Congratulations. I am from Pastor Sergio Novaes. Eke baby, thank you, Joy. Sa Kakita Vlog. Ayan, drop natin to si Manay Joy. Ayan, SWAT Ani. Ayan, our Polish friend. Ayan, please do connect to her channel. Then, Shelly Lacurum. Lang natin din naka-video. Ayan, muso gracias. At Joy sa Kakita Vlog. Yung road to 1K. Ayan, que bueno. Ayan, muchos gracias. Ayan kapatid Joshua, pwede mo ba tong ano? Pwede mo ba tong ma-help si ano, si Manay Joy? Joy sa Kakida. 983 na siya, oh. Ano, 17 na lang kaso 985. Ayan, 985 na ayan. Matutuwa to. Ayan. Ayan, 985 na siya. Ayan, thank you. 985 na nga. Ayan, 985 na. Ayan, nakita ko dito, 985 na. Ayan, salamat sa pag punta kay ano kay Manay Joy. Ayan, Espanyol, mas poco. Ayan, I can't keep up with your language. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, Johnny. even even me, Pastor Sergio. uh, when I do watching your video, and then very fast. It's too fast to when you speak. It's very fast, so I can I don't understand some of the words I cannot understand. Ayan, salamat na kapatid. Ayan, pati si Lily, ayan, ako na ayan, thank you. Ayan, Shelly Lacurom, salamat. It's very hard. Yeah, which one? The Portuguese or Tagalog? Because Tagalog is something like, there is a similarity of the language of Tagalog and then Filipino, Tagalog, and Spanish have a similarity, but Portuguese, it's too hard. Very, 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 very hard to understand and then speak the Portuguese language. So, that's it. And also, Polish. Ayan, Poland. Ayan, Polish also, it's too hard to understand some of the words, especially if they are written the word, it's hard. But sometimes when I watch the movie to SWAT Anning, so I just only see what is on the video because I cannot understand the language of Polish. And Leng Natividad. Ayan, thank you kapatid Joshua. Ayan sa pagpunta kay Kamanay Joy. Ayan. Si Lay Jimeno, si Leilani Jimeno, ano lang kapatid. Konti lang ang niya, 58 seconds lang yung yung nakita ko dito kasi mga short lang ang niya dito. Mga short videos lang Leilani Jimeno. Mga short videos lang yung niya dito. Ayun, 701 hindi pa hindi pa gumagalaw yung 701. Si Jenny, hindi ko pa na-drop yung link ni Jenny. Leilani Jimeno. Ayan, shout out! Ayan! At si Jenny, naglalaba to. Nako, wala tayong tawa ngayon kasi nasobrahan yung ko. Namaus ako kagabi. Silent K, yeah, thank you. Ayan, the language is similar to Chinese. No, which one? The Portuguese or Tagalog or Filipino or Spanish? Hola a todos, como pao, boches. Ayan, kumusta na? Love you pare. Puro ka post sa FB. Ay, nako. Busy ako. Kagabi lang ako nag-start mag live stream. Ayan, ayos lang. Ayan, kay Nancy Teng TV Pulpak. Ayan, salamat 5Gs. Ayan, thank you yan sa pagpunta kay Ate Nancy Teng TV. Ayan, Filipino. No, Filipino is not a Filipino don't look like Filipino language don't sound like Chinese. Chinese it's difficult also, Chinese, but those guys from this one and the pets from Singapore, Jenny Linton from Hong Kong. Sino pa ba yung nasa Hong Kong? Yeah, so I know they understand Chinese, and the pets, and then Jenny Linton. Because Singapore is a Chinese community and then Hong Kong as well. Silent K, ayan. Kumusta Silent K? May mga ano kasi di pa ako nakakaano sa'yo eh. May 18 hours ka dito. At ano ko na to sa isang araw ko na to ano. Sa isang araw na kita panood. Ayan, okay, ayan. But Spanish, Spanish, it sounds like Tagalog, Filipino. Ayan, Pit Life. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, sino pang ita-drop natin dyan? Si Tinyang's Vlog. Ito po ano, ayan, AK Baby and then Jolly. Jolly TV is also from Hong Kong. So, they know how to speak Chinese, I think. Sa Guam ako. Ano ginagawa mo sa Guam? Wala dito si Tingnan ng short video lang. 2 minutes lang Tingnan ha. Yan. 16. Puro mga short videos to. 16. 1 minute mo na lang. Itong 1 minute mo na lang. And, kasi very ano naman tong 16 seconds mo eh. Ayan at Tinyang's Vlog. Ayan, sa Guam ako. Ayan, no speaking Cantonese very hard like stone. Si ano, ayan, si Jenny Lintan, ayan, ano, Hong Kong, yes. AK Baby, Jenny Lintan, Jolly TV, so they are from Hong Kong. Then NNN and the Pets from Singapore. Then sino po ba yung nasa ano dyan? And then Nancy Tang TV is Taiwanese. I don't know if she can understand also a Cantonese or Mandarin. And Chichao, Chichi, Shishi, Shishi. Jolly TV. Ayan, benta ko to. Ayan, Hong Kong speaks Cantonese. Singapore. Ayan. Singapore is also Chinese. Singaporean but I don't know if ayan tol, ano bang ano ng Singapore? Chinese, di ba? At AK Baby. AK Baby. Ayan, Pit Life. Ayan, Pit Life also know how Pit Life also know how to speak Chinese. Di ba? Tama ako, no? Jolly TV. Ayan, iano natin tong ano natin. I think Singapore yan. I think Mandarin sila dog. Ayan. Di ko kasi anong Singapore eh. Kung anong salita nila. Ang Taiwan ba? Chinese din ba yan? Or Taiwanese? Or ano? Taiwanese? Cantonese? Ayan. Shishi and thanks in Chinese, right? Yes, shishi. Shishi. Then si Joyce Kita. It's two, ayan, 4 na lang yung ano, 4 na lang. Silent K, nandyan ka ba Silent K? Pwede mo ba itong pa-help ako dito? Ayan, ano na lang to, 4 na lang. Mandarin host dito, national language nila. Mandarin. Ano mas mahirap? Mandarin or Cantonese? Geja how ma? Ano naman yan? Ayan, ano na road to 1K? Ano lang, 4 na lang. Nancy Ting, Sisi, ayan, Cantonese ang mahirap. Ano bang, sampulan nyo nga ako ng ano, ng Cantonese at saka ng ano, ng Cantonese at saka ng ano ng Mandarin. Kung anong pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Yung PTV Music. Ayan, may nagganon naman. At yung Kong Hei Pachoy, ayan. Yung Kong Hei Pachoy, ayan, ano ba yan? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Cantonese. Sa Mandarin, ano yung Kong Hei Pachoy? Kong Hei Pachoy sa ano? Kong Hei Pachoy sa Japan, ano ba? Ayan, 1K na si Manay Joy. Ayan, it's very complicated. So, no. Oh. Ayan, thank you, Shelly. Ayan, kapag-graduate kay Manager. Ayan, salamat. Ayan, linagyan mo ng pangalan na galing sa akin. Yeah, para mabalikan kanyan. Ayan, Pastor Sergio, ayan, Nancy Teng TV said, Sinyen Kwai Li. Ano? Sinyen Kwai Li. Sinyen Kwai Li. Ayan, congrats. Ayan. 1K na siya. Ayan, salamat. Jelly. Ayan, 1K na. Ayan, padagdagan na lang natin to si ano. Padagdagan na lang natin si Manay Joy. Mag-comment ako sa main. Okay. Sige. Ayan. Para mabalikan, kasabihin ko na lang sa kanya. Ato. Pati si Leilani Jimeno. Ayan, paano natin? Joy sa Kakita. So, please. Ayan, mag-comment ako sa main. Then sino to? Si Leilani Jimeno. Ayan. Not sure ako kung may nadagdag. Ayan, 701 pa din. Ayan, padagdagan na lang po natin to, guys. Ayan, so, for ano. Ayan, baba lang ako, host. Sunduin ko lang. Ayan, sige lang po, lang. Ayan, sige, mag-iingat ka dyan na. Yes, done exercise. Ayan. It's good. It's good to have an exercise. So that our paths remove. Ito si so ayan ha? Ayan, ngayon ko lang ulit ginala ang main ko, ha? 3 weeks kang hindi 3 weeks kang di SWAT Ani. At Shelly, puntahan mo din ito si SWAT Ani. Yan si Raul Reynolds pati si Pastor. Ayan, ang gawin mo silang friendship. Mga mga highly recommended na mga friendship natin yan. Eto at SWAT Ani. And then si Raul Reynolds. Ito, Raul Reynolds. Very short lang kasi mga nito mga palabas Ayan, guys, your little brother, his bahay will for sure be big. Galisia people like to watch Simple Life. I love these thumbnails. Ayan, from Raul Reynolds. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, sige, mag-comment lang ako. Ayan, sige. Ito si Raul Reynolds, dati, he started 500 ata on my live stream. Is it correct, Is it correct, bro? You visited on my live stream, you have 500 or 400 bananas. Then right now, he has 15K because of his drawing. Yeah, it was click. Ayan, yes. Yeah, I remember. I was a small bahay. And then that time when you do the sketching of coronavirus, right? So it was a big boom. You have almost 1 million or 500k? 500k or almost 1 million views. Your, I don't know, I forgot, I didn't see it. Your highest views. I think it will reach 1 million. You and one day go collab with Kuis. Ayan, soon. Ayan, soon. I don't have a time going into the province because I'm too busy working here in Manila. Yes, almost 1 point. Wow. Very, that is why, so you do a sketching of, it was so beautiful. There is a beautiful message on that sketching of the coronavirus. So that is why some people do watch, and then YouTube recommend your uh, videos. You live far from, yes, very far. To almost 10 hours or 11 hours by land driving. So it's too far. Buhay Barrio, but next year only one bid a week. Okay. Why? Why is that? Ayan, Buhay Barrio. Ayan, salamat. Ayan, magandang gabi. Buhay Barrio, tumalon ako muna. Ayan, okay lang yan. No problem. Di ko alam kung sino nag-prem. Di ko nakita. Ayan, putting too much bid is also not so good. I don't see the increase. Okay. Ayan, Buhay Barrio. Leilani, eto may bago tayong dating. Eto si Buhay Barrio at saka si OFW Simpleng Buhay. Ayan, baka gusto mong to. Gusto mong binwitin to? Meron ka bang OFW? Meron ka bang premiere? OFW Simpleng Buhay. Tingnan ko nga to kung meron to. Ayan, every 4 days is better Calix yan. I think 2 or 3 days. 3 days, every 4 days. I'm having coffee, okay, but I am watching. And thank you, amigo. I am for your BG. Ate Christina, salamat Ayan, salamat. Ito, OFW. Simpleng Buhay. Ayan, salamat Ate Christina. Ayan, si 5G. Tamsak na, salamat Ayan, eto si Christina. Ayan, Calix do reaction vid, that's pero also. If I will do a reaction, so I think I will go for those in music industry. I think those beautiful those viral songs. I think you can react on the volcano Semeru, Indonesia. Ayan. Doing reaction is it's too hard, I think. Because you can do some research on that, right? So I'm too lazy for this year. For the end of this year, I'm too lazy to do some. Actually, I have a plan changing all my contents into research, and then for those with more informations, so something like that. So that is one of a content I need to do, but I don't know when it will. See my friend Happy Lexi grow so fast. Wow. Actually, Happy Lux is already a big house before. I edit my video in all 200 languages. Wow. It's too many, 200 languages. So right now, but I think by next year, so I have a lot of, your channel no longer has, ah, okay. That's one ano, pastor, my, my dollar sign don't have because last October, my tax information have a mismatch because my name have a suffix of junior, but on the AdSense there is no junior on there is no junior there is no suffix name on AdSense. So that is why AdSense made some cut on my dollar sign. Very big house art. Oh, malaki na po yan ano. Actually dyan ano siya dito sa akin, dito yung nagano, dito yung nagpalaki ng bahay sa akin si ano si Raul Reynolds Art. Ayun. Then intende. Ay, okay. Intende. Okay, okay. So there is a mismatch on my information. But I already correct it last November, third week of November, because I'm too busy for almost 3 months. So I am doing only upload and then upload because I have a lot of work for the past 3 months. I visit you. Ayan. Bro, 5G's vlog. 5G's vlog. I have small house. It's 15K. um, his channels have already 15K. Ayan. Ayan na, actually yan na 5G's vlog. You have always to reply when someone comment. Interaction is key. Uh, on the comment section, I didn't reply. I didn't reply, but sometimes if I have a chance to have, if there is a chance to do some reply, so I do reply. But when I see the comment on my video, so I go to the channel and then I do watch 2 or more videos on the channel, but I didn't reply or any conversation on the comment section. You have always to reply. Kasi hindi ako nagre-reply. Ayan, ayan, Sedi, ayan, thank you. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, bigyan kita dito ng jacket. Wait lang po, ha? Ayan. Wait lang. I reply on every... Me, I'm too lazy to reply. I'm too lazy to reply. You at the gym going up and down, I can't... Ayaw kang bigyan, Sedi. Wait lang, ha? I reply. I reply. Yeah, me, I'm too lazy to reply on every comment on my video. So I didn't reply. I do watch only. Ayaw kang bigyan ng ano dito. Ayaw kang bigyan ng jacket dito. I-drop ko muna yung link ko dito. Kasi... Mag-comment ka mamaya sa ano ko. Wait. Mag-comment ka mamaya sa ano ko. Sedi YT. Ito bang 64? Ito 64 ba to? Tama ba? Ayan. RCJ TV. Ayan. Thank you. Others will not reply. They will just heart or a thumbs up or yeah. Me also. I am doing a thumbs up or heart and then go to the I am looking for, I will search the channel, then watching a video. The heart is not enough. You have to interact. Watch your video. There is an engagement. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, ano sa atin ni Raul Reynolds Art. Ano? Eh, so, okay, I will start to do that. I will start to do that when there is a Karoni. Okay. Ay, na-drop ko yung ano. Wait lang. Hanapin ko. Karoni. I-drop ko sana yung di ko mabigyan ng jacket ko ano. Ayan, wait lang nga. Ayan, starting now the Buhay Probinsya. Ayan, thank you. Ito pong ano, ito pong malaki yung ano, itong malaking bahay. 5.1 po ba? Karoni. Ay, di ko na idikit sa'yo itong ano, itong kambal ko. Dito na lang po sa main, ano. At ang 1 day ago. Sir Sedi, salamat. Ayan, JM. Tapos ka na ba? Titingnan ko nga dito. Wala na, tapos na nga to. Nandito pa sa ano, nandito pa sa isang ano mo eh. At Sedi is Karoni. Asan na nga yan? Karoni. YTC. Ayan, ako po sa... okay, sige po. Ayan na, nakita ko na. Tingnan ko nga. RCJ TV, mangisda ka dyan, RCJ TV. Ayan. Sir Sedi, salamat sa pagpunta. JM, brother, ayan, thank you. Ayan. I check every day and I use the community tab for pools. Okay. Tapos na bro. Ayan. Okay, tanggalin ko na tong isa. Ayan, YT is Karoni YTC. Ayan, what happened to Dimple Vlog? She blocked me? No, Dimple Vlog is already in the province. And then, she is doing also a live streaming every morning. But now, I don't know what happened to her. So, I think there is no signal or there, she is, I don't know if she has a plan to install the Wi-Fi, so I don't know what happened to I don't have any update regards on the connection of the Wi-Fi in Dimple Girls house in the province. Ayan, salamat, welcome po. Ayan, OFW, thank you po, nakita din kita host. Pog wala, ang itim ko na nga itim ko na nga. Ayan, kilala ko yan si Karoni. Ayan. At nandito siya sa akin. Puro pala to, ano, puro din live streaming. Katatapos lang niya mag-live stream kaninang alas 7. Watch ko na lang po itong ano. Mag-watch na lang ako dito ng upload mo. Kasi sa live stream, wala namang kasing gaanong ano eh. Saka yung iba na nagko-connect sa ano, si Overcome to, hahaha. Yung nag-connect sa akin sa ano, yung nag-connect sa akin sa live streaming ko, wala, nalagas lang. Is that your baboy's Calix? You make your... I know, my baboy already sold last year because there is a disease for the baboys in our province before, so that is why our agriculture department in the Bicol region in our province, there is an outbreak for the foot and mouth disease for the baboys. Ayan, Overcomer, ayan, thank you. Ayan, salamat. Okay, because when I go from her live, she doesn't talk. Okay, I will I will message Dimple Girl, Pastor Sergio. Ayan. Jumpstar Mix Videos. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, Raul Reynolds Art, Emerson Amigo. Ay, ito yung nakikita ko kay ano, nakikita kami dito kay ano, kay ano. Ba't di kita makita dito? Ay, ito na. Okay, ayan, may jacket ka na po dyan, Gemstar. Ay, napunta din ako sa premiere mo. Kasi hindi kita naman ngayon nagchitsempoan kasi busy tayo ngayon. Ayan, last busy. Actually, sa December 10, ayan, magiging busy ulit ako. Gemstar. Ayan, baka guys gusto niyo pupuntahan na to. Gemstar Mix Vlog. Ayan, si Karoni, si Sedi. Ayan, baka gusto niyo pupuntahan guys. Ayan. We have a visitor guys. Ayan, from Brazil. Ayan, si Pastor Sergio Novaes. Raul Reynolds is from Spain. And but he is from Suriname. Then nag-attend nga ako sa naka-attend na ako sa premiere mo dati. Naka-attend ako sa premiere mo. Nakakalembang ka dito sa akin. Ayan. Tanda ko yan eh. Kasi not sure ako kung last 3 months ata ako sa'yo kasi hanggang ngayon last month, ay super busy ako. Sa pang-umaga, hindi ako nakaka-support pag pang-umaga. Eh, sino ba to? Si Swat Ani, ayan, from, from Poland. Ayan, sorry sis, and the pets, nag-end na si JM. Ayan, Migo, Raul, kumusta? Ayan, ayan, host, matagal na. Yes po, ayan, napunta ako sa sa premiere mo. Ayan, madami rin na marami rin napunta to. Ayan, Gemstar, hello from Raul Reynolds. Ayan, wait lang ha. Ba't puro mga, 45 seconds na. 45 seconds na lang i-drop ko dito. Bisibisihan ka lang naman ho. Hindi, dami kong ngayon. Dami akong trabaho ngayon. Last 2 months ago, may bisita akong Koreano. Tapos, kasi may may 5 kaming makina na in-install na bago. So, kaya yon. Then, sa December 10, meron ako 2 makina na i-install ulit. Tapos may 5 spare parts ko na i-install. Ang dami kong trabaho kung kailan December. Ayan, sorry na Miss Neighbor of Brazil Calis. It's a country in north of Brazil in South America. Ayan, bisibisihan ka lang. Ayan, still the same Ate Jem sa mixed videos. The fit is sick. Ayan, video lang ako sa salamat Ayan, ito one more. Ayan, goodbye friend, Pastor Sergio here. Ayan, thank you, Just D. Milagres Gloria. Over JM, ayan, salamat sa inyo guys. Yung nang galing sa LS ni JM World, salamat sa pagpunta dito. Kay Brad Hostin, salamat Brad. And JM World, ayan, Tita Gemstar, yung premiere mo, hey. Ayan, boom. Hindi ako nag-drop ng guys, hindi ako nag-drop ng premiere kasi baka may dumikit. And sayang lang yung hindi ma-watch yung palabas niya. Ayan, mute dito, may pinapalood ako. Ayan, thumbs up pala ako. Ayan, Swat Anin, thank you. Ayan, boom dia, amigo, como pai. Ayan, from Bravo Reynolds. Ayan, Bim Tracer, mais, join ha. What is that? Join ha. Bim Tracer, watching live. Joining live, tama ba? Ayan. Over J, i-drop ko yung mo dito, brother. Ayan, JM. Si Leila ni guys, ayan. Ay, Brad, may ako sa'yo. Baka gusto mong puntahan to. Tanggal ko na yung nandito ka pa sa isa Hanap ako dito ng ng 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 7 minutes, yung latest upload mo na lang. Tinyang Swat Ani MLS OPU from Tinyang's. Ayan, one more thumbs up and thank you. Ayan, gracias. Just D. Milagres, si Pastor Sergio yan. Beat Life, ayan, thank you. I will message Dimple Girl. Ay, si RCGTV, nakalimutan ko. Wait lang napasarap tayo sa kwento kasi. RCJTV, ayan, pasensya RCJTV. Nangingisda ka ba dyan, RCJ? Hindi pa nadadagdagan yung mo. Muerto obrigado. Ayan, from Raul Reynolds Art. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Eto pala, RC, puntahan mo to, RC, yung puntahan mo yung mga dinarap ko dyan ng mga link, Huwag mong kalimutan puntahan to si AQPB at saka si Jolly TV. Ito guys, ito yung nakagraduate ng 100 sa atin kagabi. Ayan, tinamad na mega love sa lahat nandito. Si Overcomer Vlog. Ito si Overcomer Vlog. Ito, morning to na Basta pag umaga, hindi ako join sa inyo. Kaya, bingi ako. Dito muna daw. Ayan, thank you. I'm back. From Jeneline Tan. Ito yung 2 months ago, wala kasi itong upload for bingi ako. Ayan, si Swat Ani, thank you. And Overcome my plan. Leilani, ayan, nandiyan ka pa ba, Leilani? Ayan, natin si Leilani. Leilani Jimenez. Ito grade 7, di ako nag-LS to sa. Di na nag-LS. Nakita ko yung nakita ko yung LS mo. hapon ata yan. Paglabas ko ng 7:30 nagkape, nakita ko yung LS may wala ako. Ayan, panggabi si host, si Q. Hindi. Pero po minsan, umuuwi ako ng, not sure ako, basta December 10, ang uwi ko na naman yan, lagi madaling araw, panigurado. Kasi, magandang gabi, host. Ay, Inday, thank you, Rayan. Ayan, salamat. Sedi, Karoni, thank you po. Ay, Karoni, magano ko po ha, magano ka na lang po, mag-iwan ka na lang po ng baka makalimutan ko para mapuntahan kita mamaya ha. Si PTV Music ang nakita ko na dito nag-comment sa akin. Shout out 12i na host. Ayan, salamat Inday. Ayan, umiikot ka host. Ayan, hindi naman po. Ayan, Jerilyn Tan. Inday, silent pa rin ako. Ayan, Inday. Isla. Ano na lang ako, 15 minutes na lang ako. Ayan, silent pa rin. Wait lang ha. Ayan, iyan natin. Ayan, si Ravel Reynolds Art. Ayan, bisita natin guys. Ano? Ayan, from Spain. Si Brazil. And si Pastor Sergio. Swat Ani from Poland. Okay lang host, nakabakas na. Ayan, salamat po. Ayan, kay Kuya Sedi. Thank you po. Ayan, Rayan Passion. Ito mga short videos lang itong mga to. Kay Rayan. Wala ka bagong upload dito. Ito yung na-watch ko kanina. Rayan Passion. At Gemstar is from France. Ayan, from France. Ayan, madami kayong mga tatlo kayong taga-Europe pala dyan ngayon. Ayan, si Gemstar from France, Spain, si Raul Reynolds, and then from Poland, si Swat Ani. Dito lang po sa game lang. Ayan, naglalaro ka din pala ng naglalaro ka ng ML. Ako, dinilit ko yung ML ko. Di na ako nakakapaglaro ng ilang linggo na, pero nasa Mythic pa rin ako. Naaasar ako sa mga gamer, mga pabuhat na mga player. Yan. Salamat host. Ayan, do you have family, wife and children? Ayan, I have a family, just the Milagres from in the province. Ayan. Dito lang babaho, host, Galix, magkunwari ako may gawin. Maglalakad-lakad ka na naman pala. Ayan. Hinahanap niya si Dimple Girl. Ayan, kasi hindi daw siya pinapansin ni May FB ka ba host? Ayan. Naku, makikita niyo yung FB ko. Ayan, FB ko, same lang yung FB ko. Same name lang ng account ko dito. On the way in the end, salamat Galiga 26. Drop ko na si Galiga 26. Inday Pislat Galiga, napuntahan mo na po ba si RCJ TV? Inday Pislat, good evening, si research kita. Aya, oh nice Galaxy, you have anak. Aya, only one. Only one amigo. Ayan, from Raul Reynolds. Ayan. Ata si Galiga 26. Baby Jolly TV. Ayan, puntahan nyo na lang po yung RCJ TV guys. Ito RCJ TV. Di ka nabawasan RCJ TV, Ayan, very good naman at hindi ito nabawasan si RCJ TV kagabi. Si Shelly Lapurom, ayan. Ay, RCJ, puntahan mo Shelly Lapurom. RCJ, sige puntahan ko. Ayan, sige, salamat po. Ayan, RCJ. Ito, 105 ko lang po kasi to. Ayan, mamaya ko na to. Host, balato mo na sa akin English na nanonood sa'yo right now. Nabubuyoy na nga ako nabubuyoy. Dito ulit, salamat Leng. Ay, nabubuyoy ako mag English. Ayan, si Gemstar. Ayan, nakita ko dito si Gemstar. Nakauwi na, ayan. Okay, that's good, Leng. Ayan. At safe ka nakauwi, Hindi naman sila mga Inday, hindi naman sila mga si Raul Reynolds, ayan, he know how to speak English, pero si Pastor at saka si SWAT Ani. So hindi sila ano. Host drop his link. Ayan. Sino? Si Pastor Sergio. Mabait ito. Pastor Sergio Novaes. Mabait ito ano. Inday. Pati si SWAT Ani. And then Raul Reynolds. Ito kay Pastor. Inday Pislat, yes, we have international kaibigan here. Wala pa nga yung mga ano Inday. Wala pa nga yung ibang lahi. Ayan, yung taga Vietnam, taga Netherlands, taga saan pa ba yun? Basta sa parting Europe, lahat sila nasa Europe. Tapos may ano ba yun? Czech Republic meron sa nakalimutan ko na. Yung ibang mga lugar sa Bulgaria, meron Bulgaria. Ayan, tapos yung isa, yung kagabi si taga Romania. Tapos may Germany. And okay, French, you are very funny. No, Pastor, I drop your link because Inday Pislat wants to connect with you. You also make StreamYard so we can co-host. Yeah, last night I'll do StreamYard, bro. Last night. I don't know when I will do a live streaming again after this one because tomorrow is 9. I don't know, December 9 tomorrow. So I don't know if I can go home earlier tomorrow. So I don't know. Maybe we can sing Christmas song. I sing every week in co-host the duties. Sounds great. Sounds great. That's good. Travel Reynolds. Ayan. It can, that would be possible, bro. Raul Reynolds. Last night, I was out watching Christmas trees. I missed that. There is a snow in Spain right now. So, ayan, si Lay Jimeno, guys. Pa-support po kay Lay Jimeno. Ayan, 8 minutes na lang tayo dito. Magpapahinga na ako kasi kagabi I was very tired ako kagabi. Pinagod nila ako kagabi, so sobrang mga makukulit kasi yung mga to eh. Ayan, how and live there in the Philippines. Okay. Here in the Philippines right now, yes, but not everywhere. Here in Barcelona is just cold now, 12 Celsius. Living here in the Philippines, I think it was expensive here in the Philippines. But something like expensive, but not totally. I don't know. I cannot explain. I cannot explain I cannot explain what is the cost of living here in the Philippines, but it was too difficult to live here in the Philippines. But if you, especially those foreigners coming from other countries with lots of money, so possible you can enjoy stay here in the Philippines. Philippines and Suriname have same weather. It's tropical sun and rain. I am used to that weather, but now I adapt the weather. Yeah. Ayan, natawa siya na si Ray Ann Passion. Di ba? I am right or correct na Ray Ann Passion. So, it was too difficult living here in the Philippines. When you do when it comes to the cost of living here in the Philippines, it's too very high. Easy living, just eat kamote. But if you are a foreigner, because Filipinos, some of the Filipinos are looks like money. Every foreigner coming here in the Philippines, they just looking at it. So they are money. So that's why. But if you have a lot of money here, so I think you will you can enjoy here. I love kamote and chicken soup. Ayan, I love kamote in chicken soup with chicken feet and cassava and plantain and okra, masarap. Actually, those crops, Raul Reynolds also have here in the Philippines. I think the cassava kamote. So there is a cassava and kamote in Suriname because it was for the tropical countries. Those crops. Okra also. Ayan, okra. I don't know if okra is for the tropical countries. I don't know. Ayan, Pastor Sergio, I am you smiling. Yeah. You can try to visit here in the Philippines. Pastor Sergio. Here in Brazil, the salary is a pittance K. Cassava and kamote. I do like that cassava and kamote. It's good. It's, nutritious. Yes, we eat in my country a lot. Yeah. Because ano na yan, napapalaban na tayo sa Englishan dito. Maano na naman ako dito. Magna-nose bleeding na naman ako dito. I eat banana and ginamos. Di ba yung ginamos, yun yung ano, yun yung parang maruya. Yung inano, yung pinirapirasong ano, pinirapirasong mga saging na hinog na saba. Ayan. In the future, I will go to Philippines. I want to go to Palawan and Quezon and Manila. I think Quezon City, Manila, you don't need to go here in Manila. But if you want to try it, just visit Banana. But if you want to visit here in Manila, so I do recommend to go um, somewhere here in the southern part of Manila, not in the city because it was too crowded. Then, but in the center of the Philippines in Manila, it was a lot of happiness. Ayan. You can enjoy in Manila, but I do not recommend Metro Manila. Manila is crowded. In Philippines, the beaches are amazing. Yes. So a lot of beaches here. So there are some are beautiful beaches here in the Philippines. So everywhere. So from the western and from the east, from the west, and then from the north, in the south, and then in the north. So lots of beautiful beaches. I don't like Camote Nicaragua. Many utot. Pataka bagoong yung ginamos daw. Ano? Bagoong ba yun? Ano? Bagoong yung bagoong pala yung ginamos. Ayan, hindi ko ano yung ginamos ko na. Fresh diles na nilagyan maraming asin. Hindi ako kumakain yan. Yung ginamos. You can visit Baguio, Sagada, La Union, Palawan, and Davao. There's some mixed videos. You have to remove that. Ayan, friend, you have, friend, have you come here? No, not yet. I do visit once in Austria, once 2015, then 2016 in Korea, then before in Singapore. Ayan, friend, you have, ayan, over JM, ayan, Rhea Passion, yes, I will. Ayan. So, you can go, I think I do recommend to visit, Baler, Aurora, bro, Raul Reynolds. It was, not too expensive going and then visiting, Aurora, not too expensive, compare in the Palawan, in, Boracay, in, Puerto Galera. So those places are expensive. In Baler, not too expensive. I went to Rio, Belém, Manoas in the past. Beautiful. Rio de Janeiro with the big statue. Who is that statue? Is it Jesus? The statue in Rio de Janeiro. Sagada is have a snow on February. Actually, Ray, so there is already a snow in Baguio City. According to one of my friend who visited Baguio, then in Tagaytay already have a snow. Sao Paulo, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Ay, napalaban tayo sa Englishan ngayong gabi. Bakit kaya? Ngayon, actually, Ngayon lang sila nakipag-communicate guys ng ano, ng ganito na, nakipagkwentuhan dito sa ano. Ay yung ano yan, itong dalawa na yan. Dati ano lang sila, nagtutuldok-tuldok lang yan. Si Swat Ani ang hindi. Kasi hindi siya hindi siya makarelate sa ano natin, sa language natin. I don't like snow. It's nice for making nice photos, but playing in the snow community is not too much cold. I don't like the winter. Actually, I already experienced that having a snow. You are from the capital, Pastor. Ayan. I don't like also the snow. So, you are correct na bro, Raul Reynolds. The snow is only good for picture taking, and then it's only for the picture taking and then for the video. But going outside having a snow, no, I think it's no good. I want snow. Hong Kong, I cold only. Cold only, walang snow sa Hong Kong. During my visit the last time before the pandemic in South Korea, I went in South Korea during the last month of winter season. It's February. Second week ng February. So Rosan Adams, ayan, kumusta naman kapatid? Ayan, kumusta ate? Ayan, from Australia. Ayan, thank you, te. Ano capital in Brasilia, Calix? So, okay, Brasilia. Okay, ayan. Sorry. Yeah, Brasilia. It's one of the biggest cities in Brazil. Ayan, si RCJTV, ayan. Napangalan naman. Ayan, si Ate Rosan, baka gusto niyong puntahan niya. Drop ko si Ate Rosan. Ayan, from from Australia. Ayan. Ano tayo? Parang pang ano ng mga ano natin Di pa ako napupunta sa iyo, te. Di pa kita nabibisita, te Rosan. Ayan. I experienced having a snow na only lang, I think only 5 minutes when I go out in sa hotel. Sobrang pagbukas ko pa lang ng when I open the door at the back of the hotel. So there is a beautiful view at the back of the hotel. Then when I open the door, it's too cold. Then after siguro taking pictures lang 5 minutes, my hands already frozen. Ayan, it's freezing. Nagpi-freeze na yung yung mga daliri ko even if I wore too thick na na jacket. Kagaya na ka-vlogs, ayan, thank you. Ayan, kumusta si mama mo? Ayan, na ba? I don't like winter, need to wear so much clothes, better for me in spring. When I experience winter, so I have two jackets with very thick jacket. Then I have ang tawag ba, sweatshirt. Then my two pants, then 3 socks. And then here with anong tawag yun dito sa nilalagay dito sa lieg, tapos pinahirap pa. Then my Korean friend give me a very very thick jacket because I was freezing out that moment. Bukas pa host. Okay. Ay, Cagayan, di baka hindi magano sana ako sa iyo magbibigay sana ako sa iyo kasi hindi pa yung yung sa AdSense ko. Yeah, friends, Sao Paulo and a very good place where there are many foreigners. That would be the beautiful spot in Sao Paulo. There is a beach. More beaches, beautiful beaches in Sao Paulo. 21 December begins winter officially till March 21. Now it's autumn and already cold. Thumbs up codes. Salamat. Wow. Nag-i-Englishan kami dito. Lumagpas na naman ako sa oras. Napapasarap sa kwentuhan. RCJTV, puntahan mo to ha. Cagayan. Si Ate Rosa, puntahan mo Cagayan Aka Vlogs. May nangingisda kasi dyan. Ayan, di ako makaano sa'yo, di ako makapagbigay ng ano sa'yo. Kasi, alam mo naman nawala yung ano ko, di ba? Pinag-hold yung ano ko. Pinag-hold yung payments ko para sa ano, dito. I love your garden, Alex. I don't have garden here. I am jealous. I love planting and harvesting my own veggies. Ayan. Sige lang, wag ka muna mag-end. Ayan. Okay, sige, sige. Ano na lang siguro, okay. I will extend na lang sa 10 minutes. Ayan, para mapuntahan ka nila. Actually, bro, that, those, plants in, our back in the province, those, plants, so we already, we plant that one. It was too long ago. So, I don't know how long it was, but during the time, so we do planting especially those calamansi, kalamon din. So we plant that we planted that plants. Wait lang, vloggers sa Cagayan. And then when I didn't went home in the province for this pandemic, but I do just visit after they lift up the quarantine and then the swab test. So I went there, but it's only for 3 days, 4 days. So I don't have a time to plant more plants. Ayan, nakaka-nosebleed lemon. Yes, lemon and then kalamun din. Ayan. You have so much land, I see. Later, I send you a PM. Yes, the green pumpkin. I see. Ah! That was squash. Kalabasa. Vloggers again. Magti 10 minutes na lang ako, guys. Ayan, 1 hour and then 30 minutes ko na. Ayan, napasarap tong makipagkwentuhan. Then, actually, you will see in that other video the land, the other land on the other area. So it was there are coconut trees, and then there is an eggplant in there. Yan, Cagayan Vlog, ayan, Tanpo, ayan, from Ray and Pasha. Ay, nakikita kayo dyan na Ayan, here I have small balcony. I can't even plant to. No, you can buy, ano sa English ng paso? I think you can, you will do DIY if you have more bottle of water. So because the tomato don't need more space, so you can plant in some plastic container, so just a small one. Then you can put a land, then every day you can ang tawag doon, nakalimutan ko na. OMG, eggplant sarap, tortang talong. Yeah. I like that. That would be my favorite bro, Raul Reyes, the eggplant with tortang talong. I like it. Yeah, sige Rayan, maya from Cagayan. OMG eggplant, Pat, ayan from Cagayan. Pit life, ayan, napalaban ako sa English ngayong gabi. Ayan, yes, but I live in 6th floor. There is no space. There is no space, or in the balcony. You can plant in the balcony. I have lots of plants here in my balcony. I put in a small pot. I also have dragon. Wow, may dragon fruit ka dyan. Very expensive fruit, dragon fruit. Overcomer Vlog, and thank you. Hello, host, and from India. Ayan, Pradi Penvino Wanderlust. And kumusta ang India? Hindi ka ba dyan? Hindi ka ba na quarantine dyan, Pradip and Vina? Ayan, Rayan Passion, I am jealous, OMG. AK baby. You can try it, bro. You can plant in a container, plastic container, or in a small pot if you have. Then you can buy a small or I think just 1 kilogram or 5 kilos of soil. You can do that in your small space if you are on the 6th floor. Ayan, you can put them in a small pot, sir. Ayan. The balcony is only for putting the clothes at taga sa ano, sa Spain. Ano, Cagayan Alca Vlogs. And nasa Spain siya ngayon. Ayan, walang quarantine dito host ng pagdating ka. Ah, that's good naman. Ayan, so very very good naman niya kung walang ano, kung walang quarantine. So at least free ka na. Ayan, nakita ko doon unvaccinated, nakabiyahe ka. Ayan, sa Pinas lang ata may quarantine eh. Ah, wala nang quarantine sa ano, pag fully vaccinated ka na. Wala nang quarantine. Pinag-remove na nila yung quarantine. I will try, I want to plant blueberries. That is, blueberries. Di ba ano yun? Tree. Blueberries is a tree. So I think you cannot plant in the small pot a blueberry. I am just putting clothes and plants. I'm in the 46th. Ayan pala, nasa 46th floor. Ayan, did you see that, bro? Ravel, ayan. So, Ray Ampassion is on the 46th floor, but she is having a time to plant ano bang tinanim mo nga yan? Dragon fruit. Ayan. Dikit na pala ako sa iyo, Ray, from Cagayan. Ayan. Wala pa kasi akong vaccine. Pwede ba? Pero bakit nakapag-ano ka na? Nakapag-travel ka na even if without vaccine? Di ba strict ang ano? Hindi na ba strict ang airport? Di na ba strict ang NAIA ngayon sa mga travelers na unvaccinated? Or meron pa rin ano? Merong tawag dito? Or nag-ano ka na din, saan ka nagpa-vaccine? Nagpa-box. Oh, dragon is sarap. You make a smoothie or ice cream from Robert Reynolds. Ayan, dragon fruit. Okay sis, Cagayan Vlogs. Pabayaan pa siya na yan. Do you have news of... actually, Riza Uraba, she do upload yesterday. I think yesterday. And then, she cannot do a live streaming because she transferred to another employer, new employer for Riza Orapa. So she already transferred for a new employer, so she cannot do any live stream. But we will ask Riza Orapa if she can do a live stream, pastor. Swab test lang need defensive natin na puntahan, di naman strict lang. Okay. Ayan, sounds good naman yan pala. No? Ayan, kung hindi siya strict sa ano. Kung hindi siya strict sa mga... Kasi, I think India welcome those unvaccinated, mga unvaccinated. Nag-welcome ata sila, no? Pero I just saw a video from New York they are going to visit in India, so they did not give a visa traveling to India. Okay, I didn't see her anymore. Yes, she is too busy, so compared to her old employer, so that is why. Ay, parang napalaban, mauubos ang English ko dito ngayong gabi. Because tomorrow, or working na naman tayo tomorrow. Ayan. So, ayan, I have only 3 minutes remaining guys on my live streaming. Ayan, so you can connect to each other na lang. Ay, si Caron, pupuntahan ko na lang si Caron. Sino bang dito? Ayan. Yeah, sa India, I want to visit also especially Bombay, the Bollywood capital. Ayan. I think India is beautiful country. Ayan, well-diverse ang well-diverse. India is a well-diverse in the culture, in the everything in India, well-diverse. Kaya sa India, okay na walang mask, depende lang sa'yo. Okay. So pinagano na pala nila, no? Pinag-remove na pala nila yung pinag-remove na nila yung mask diyan sa sa India. Ayan, so, ayan na guys, so I'm going to say goodbye na. Ayan, so it's time to go na. So I have already 1 hour and then 30 minutes. So I'm going to say thank you to those guys who are in there. Ayan, those are in the VGs. Then those friends from Spain, and Raul Reynolds Art. Bro, I'm going to end up my live stream. Yes, my great grandfather are from India, Indonesia, and Germany guys. Well mixed, ano, blood. And ayan guys, so magte-thank you na ako guys ha. Ayan, so it's time to go na. Ayan, salamat for those who are in the VGs. Ayan. Margie TV is on the VG, so she will send me later a ano, screenshot. Okay, you ended up your live stream. And so saying thank you guys, and then by Brad, ayan, mag-end na ako. Overcomer Vlog. Ayan, yes, I am Amix, yes. Okay, Pastor Sergio, I'm going to end up. Bye-bye, IPM. Okay, thank you, thank you. Later, I think yung mga pumunta dito, bukas ko na lang pupuntahan guys ha. Ay, Jamstar, ayan. So, I think bukas na akong sa iyo pati kay Karoni. Ayan, kasi bago. Ayan, bibisita na lang ako sa bahay nyo ha. Ayan, IPBB, I'll go there late. Ayan, okay, Pastor, thank you. So, bukas na ako magbabayad guys ha. Ayan, so, mag-ano tayo, mag-sleep mode na tayo. Pahinga na tayo. Ayan. 10:30, sleep mode. Ayan. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.